So Shivdan Singh, Mulchan, Vinay Singh, Baldev, Pratap Singh, Daluram, but Jai Singh is not the Salimgram. And now Rao Bhaktawat Singh was during the Alwar pictorial style came. The court painter were Saligram. Okay, so Bhaktawar Singh जो थे उसके समय पर सालिग्राम थे. शिवदान जो थे शिवदान जी उनके समय कामा शास्त्र is the Alwar style and that was court scent of prostitution something. Court painter was the Moolchand. Vinay Singh ji and in this time the Alwar style and that was Baldev and Gulshan Ali illustrated manuscript and Pratap Singh Alwar में था. Mending style started in this time and Shivkar Daluram was a prominent painter during Pratap Singh and picture of this Shiv Danush and heroine and thorn heroine of makeup. Jai Singh court painter was a Ram Sahai Nepaliya or Balwant Singh that was court painter was the Jamna Das and Jagmohan. So here he is talking about the Jai Singh. So Salimgram is not. Salimgram is during Bhaktawar and Jai Singh के समय पर कौन थे? That was the Ram Sahai. Okay. Now which of the following mineral production area is not correctly matched? Iron Natragi Pal right, manganese Kaka Kunta right, and gypsum Jamsar right, but garnet is Saladipura. That was wrong actually. So where is the garnet? Garnet is actually Saladipura last reserve of the pyrites. Okay, so Saladipura it is for the pyrites, not for it is in the Sikar also. Okay, now next Mangala area of the oil field located in the Rajasthan. Okay, so the that was the 16 separate gaze and the oil field that was Mangala. Aishwarya Bhagyam and it is Mangala area located the block RJ on 90 Rajasthan block India state major oil field Barmer basin and that was the operator of the field was the Vedanta group the Cairn and the Vedanta Mumbai high field offshore oil and that was also west coast of the Mumbai Gulf of the Kembe Ankleshwar Lanej Kallol Rajasthan is the Mangala, Guda, Saraswati, Kameshwari, Rag Oil and Shakti. Okay. Now who was awarded the prestigious and highest Rao Siha Samman? That was the Beam Singh Single. So Rao Siha Samman was given the Beam Singh Single. Okay. So that was the Beam Singh Single was awarded the prestigious and highest Rao Siha Samman in Marwar. Various prestigious Marwar Ratna Award are to be conferred to individuals for their remarkable contribution. Beam Singh Singhal, the director of the Bombay Hospital, and Rao Siha Award, that was the Lady Helena Hamlin, chairperson of the trust also here. So that was also and notable personality like Divya Bhatia, director of the Jodhpur RIFFF, special director here, will also honor the respective award. Okay, now next is choose the following. Dalpat Vijay, Kumar Raso, Karnidan, Sunlight and Malik Mohammad Jaisi, Raj Ratnakar, that is wrong, and Veer Ban Ratnu, that was Raj Rupak. Okay, so now see that Padmavat by the Malik Mohammad Jaisi described the war fought the Ratan Singh and Alauddin Khilji in the 01 and famous epic of the Sufi tradition Hindi literature language was this epic written Doha and Chopai verses of Avdi. It was Avdi dialect of the Hindi and Khuman Raso, that was Dalpat Vijay of the Bappa Rawal and Sunlight or Karnidan was a book written by the Kavya about the Abhay Singh and the ruler of the Jodhpur, that was the Sunlight. Raj Rupak, that was composed of the Veerban Ratnu. Raj Rupak, that was the Ratnu and Abhay Singh and ruler of the Jodhpur. So Raj Rupak was composed by the Veerban Ratnu. Other work was the Ekakshari and the Namala and Bhagavad Prakash. Okay. Raj Ratnakar book was by the Sadashiv. So Raj Ratnakar was the book that was by the Sadashiv. Information about the Raj Singh. Okay. So Raj Rupak was the Veerban Ratnu. Sunlight was the Karnidan about the Abhay Singh of Jodhpur. According to 2011 census, the district of Rajasthan have recorded less than 100 density of population. So that was Rajasthan, Jaisalmer, Bikaner and Barmer. तो ये जो तीन डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स है, जैसलमेर, बीकानेर एंड बाड़मेर. All of three have the less than 100 density of the Rajasthan. Okay, so density is less in the Jaisalmer, Bikaner and Barmer. It is the refer to the comprehensive population of 2011 सेंसस और 15 सेंसस थी ये. नाउ 1872 में फर्स्ट सेंसस हुई थी एंड 7 सेंसस जो हुई थी 1947 में हुई थी. ठीक है, सो 1872 में फर्स्ट सेंसस हो गई एंड उसके बाद में द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया 2011 वाज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1.21 बिलियन. The country population growth had been decreasing and now detailed analysis of population is also given, like 21.31% is the growth rate during decadal growth 2001 to 2011. Jaisalmer और बीकानेर have the recorded 100 density over there. राजस्थान स्टेट की जो डेंसिटी है विच इज़ 200 पर स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ राजस्थान इज 68548437. 68 again 548 again 437. So this is the population of Rajasthan, 68, 548 and 437. As per the census, the literacy rate of Rajasthan is 64.40%, which is slightly lower than national. National की है 64.80. Only 40.40% literacy rate कम है राजस्थान की. So 64.40 and 64.80. This is great achievement. मेल की लिटरेसी है 75.70 एंड स्लाइटली हायर देन नेशनल. नेशनल से ज़्यादा हमारी मेल की लिटरेसी है. नेशनल में है 70.30 बट वी हैव 75. 5.40% वी हैव द मोर लिटरेसी ऑफ द मेल्स. सो इट इज़ 70 ओनली. इट इज़ 75.70 एंड फीमेल लिटरेसी 43.90 विच इज़ लोअर देन द नेशनल. नेशनल लिटरेसी फीमेल की है 53.70. वी हैव 43.90. 10% हम फीमेल में कम हैं बट 5% हम मेल्स में ज़्यादा हैं. जैसलमेर इज़ द फेमस फॉर द डिज़र्ट एंड इट्स लोकेटेड जैसलमेर डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड गोल्डन फोर्ट है यहाँ पर. ठीक है, यूनिक कल्चरल आइडेंटिटी इज देयर. बीकानेर इज़ द डिज़र्ट ऑफ द लोकेटेड बीकानेर डिस्ट्रिक्ट फेमस फॉर द जूनागढ़ एंड द केमल फेस्टिवल्स ऑल्सो एंड यूनिक आर्किटेक्चर. ओके, and now next is Barmer district located western of the Rajasthan, known for the deserts and rich cultural heritage. Churu is known for the, according to this, arid climate is also there. So population of the Churu district is approximately 2.5 million. Now who is the following recent appointed as the acting chairman of the Rajasthan Public Service Commission? That was Kailash Chandra Meena and he is the acting chairman of Rajasthan Public. RPSC जो हैं इसके एक्टिंग चेयरमैन बने थे कैलाश चंद मीना. सो आरपीएससी चेयरमैन श्री संजय कुमार सातोरिया ही कंप्लीटेड. कैलाश सिंह मीना हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज ए एक्टिंग चेयरमैन. प्रेजेंटली तो कोई और आए हैं रंजन नाम के कुछ. ठीक है, नाउ वेरियस इंपॉर्टेंट पोस्ट इन राजस्थान स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अंडर द इंडियन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड एज केसी मीना टेन्योर विल बी कंप्लीटेड. पोस्ट ऑफ द कमीशन चेयरमैन वॉज ड्यू टू द रिटायरमेंट ऑफ संजय and the headquarter of this Rajasthan Public Service Commission in the Ajmer. Okay, additional information is there. Rajasthan Public Service Commission appointed by the governor, जो इसके चेयरमैन और मेंबर होते हैं. फर्स्ट चेयरमैन was the S.K. Ghosh. You need to know about the name. S.K. Ghosh was the first one. And at the time of formation of Rajasthan, the Public Service Commission, 3 princely states थे, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Bikaner and Jodhpur. Okay, so there was a this princely state Jaipur, Bikaner and Jodhpur. Jaipur, Bikaner and Jodhpur. These are princely states, Jaipur, Bikaner and Jodhpur. Okay, now what are the capital of the Chauhan ruler of the Shasman? That was Sirohi. So capital of the Shasman, prominently city of the Sirohi. Chauhan dynasty known for their valor and the contribution to the Rajasthan northern India, and the Chauhan dynasty is one of the Rajput dynasty ruled by the various northern states. Okay, Sirohi is the city located at Sirohi and city historical significance for the 4 temples established the Shestra Mal and that was Rajasthan largest state India by the area and known for the cultural heritage. Consider the following regarding the much discussed issue of the desertification. So over drafting of the groundwater could lead to the desertification. So that is not true. The natural geographical location of a place is the major cause of desertification. That is not true. Presence of the natural resources such as oil, natural gas or mineral in the area could be prevent desertification. No, but yeah, overdrafting groundwater could lead to desertification. That is true. overdrafting of the water. Okay, so desertification is type of the land degradation. Climate change, human activities are major cause. If an area land has natural resources like natural gases and oil mineral, so this usually strips soil and a nutrient which is turned to kill the plant, and desert can be there. Now next one is Rathi in the Bikaner, and Tharparkar that was in the Barmer, Gir that was in the Ajmer, and the Kankrej that was in the Jalore. So this is you need to know Rathi in the Bikaner, Tharparkar in the Barmer, Gir that was in the Ajmer, and Kankrej that was in the Jalore. So originally this Tharparkar came from the Pakistan. Original was the Barmer. Kankrej it is in Jalore. Original of the Kutch and Gujarat. Rathi, Lunaksar, Tehsil, Bikaner, Ganganagar, Hanumangarh district, Rajasthan, and also found in Fazilka. And Gir is a breed of the known for the Badwawadi and Gujarati, Kathiawadi. So that was in Ajmer, Chittor, and Bundikota. How many districts were included the intensive agriculture district program of 1960 and 61? Intensive agriculture, 7 districts were there. Okay, so this program was package program launched 1960 after the community development. This scheme provide the loan for the seeds, fertilizer, launch our pilot basis for like Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu, West Godavari, Andhra Pradesh, and Shahabad, Bihar. It was launch of the pilot basis in the Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and Pali in Rajasthan. Ford Foundation program started with the Ford Foundation also. Which of the following statement regarding physical feature of Rajasthan is correct? So, physical feature of Rajasthan, that means Hadoti Plateau is the main boundary fault of the northwest, no. But 41% of area of the western sandy plain is sand dune, yes. Structurally, physical feature of Rajasthan from the part of north, Greater Plain to the peninsular, yes. Roughly present time is residual mountain, this is also yes. So, Great Boundary Fault is major tectonic alignment in the northwestern India that runs close to the contact between the Vindhya sedimentary rocks and pre-Vindhyan. It is major tectonic alignment in the south eastern Rajasthan along with Bundi and the Savai Madhopur hill. Hadoti, that was 9.6% of the area bordered by the Malwa Plateau, Aravali, and the west of the Marwad. And main boundary thrust was Aravali and the Hadoti. So that was actually wrong. And after then, sandy arid plain, that is Marusthali or dune free tract, is 41% total. And Aravali north western India is one of the oldest fold mountain. It now forms the residual mountain with elevation of 300. Main objective of RICO to develop the industrial, to provide the loan, and to providing the technical support. Okay, so RICO actually a corporation, that was 28 regional officers are also of the RICO, and it is catalyzed plan for the rapid industrialization, financial institution, assess important setting projects, and nodal agency for single window clearances, assist karna infraco. Okay, in which of the district Rajasthan was integrated child development service program launched? Integrated child development, that was in Banswara. Okay, you need to know about this. So that was directed of integrated child development is has undergo the tremendous long journey. It was in 1975 the Gari Panchayat Samiti of Banswara, in pursuance of principle led national child policy, that was in 1974. It is now catering to the above large number of the beneficiaries of the network. Okay, so that was in the addition. This initiative is directed is concerned with the relevant policies, training requirement, monitoring to improve the nutrition health, to lay the foundation for proper psychological social development, to reduce the incident of the mortality and achieve the coordination. Maximum isabgol jeera and tomatoes, where we found, that is in Jalore. So jeera, isabgol, jeera is cumin seed, and isabgol is seed of the fleawort. It is fleawort. Isabgol is fleawort, cumin, and tomatoes. Okay, that is in Jalore. So we can think about this also. Now next one is, one more thing, main crops of the district Jalore is bajra, wheat, jowar, and barley. Okay, and that is the flea wort. We can say flea wort. Flea wort. Which of the following is associated with Mewar Prajamandal? So Mewar Prajamandal is related to the Narayani Devi Verma. Narayani Devi Verma associated with Mewar Prajamandal. Manikyalal Verma, founder of the Mewar Prajamandal movement. Mewar Prajamandal was established 1938 under presidentalship of the Balwant Singh Mehta. So Balwant Singh Mehta was related to the Mewar Prajamandal. The main motive was started different region India was to oppose the feudalism, colonialism and demand for the fundamental right. The main motive, okay. And Chandravati was the first woman member of Haryana, first woman member of parliament also. And Krishna Kumari was an Indian politician, and she was belongs to the Mewar and Jodhpur region. Now next, which of the following tree species not used for the purpose of preventing the fertile area? That was the eucalyptus. It is not actually according. It is barren and preventing further bareness. So eucalyptus trees are fast growing, various purpose of including timber, paper and oil. They are also known their high water consumption lead to the decreased water availability of the soil. Therefore, they might not always be suitable for preventing bareness. Okay, neem is very important. Neem we can Ajedi rajta indica. Ajedi rajta indica. And neem tree are actually known for the drought resistant quality and planted for the combat desertification. And Gulmohar is a Dilonyx erigia. Royal Poinciana is also we can say, and known for the splendid ornamental value in Gulmohar. It is provide the shade, improve the aesthetic values. White mulberry, that was the white mulberry tree is often valued also. Now next one is rice. अब कुछ नाम है that is very important. Okay, rice is for the Bala 221. Wheat is for the Raj 911 and Sonalika and Raj 911. Gram is that was C235 G130 HG20. So ग्राम के नाम ऐसे होते हैं CHG kind of. कॉटन का नाम है देवीराज, देवी तेज and PST9. Okay, so see now, when the plants of the same kind of the cultivated in one place of large scale, it called the crop. So खरीफ crop में क्या आता है? पेडी, सोयाबीन, मेज, ग्राउंडनट, कॉटन एंड दैट इज ऑल. रबी में क्या आता है? रबी we can sow in the October to March called the Rabi. So we have this some like rice for the Bala Pusa, wheat is like Sonalika and D and Raj 911. Gram is C, H and G 235, 208, 130. Cotton is Deviraj, Devi Tej and the PST9. Which of the following non-constitutional body? So Niti Aayog yes, CBI yes, State Human Right yes, Central Information yes, and GST no. It is constitutional body 279A article, Finance Commission 280 article. Okay, so the institution or the organization that are not included the constitution or do not have a constitutional standing are non-constitutional. Non-constitutional body is an organization or entity that is not mentioned in Indian constitution. Constitutional body and non-constitutional institution lacks the authority granted by the constitution. So majority of time the authority of the non-constitutional body come law passed by the Indian Parliament. So we can see here first is Niti Aayog, okay, then CBI, CIC, National Human Right, RBI, SEBI, SIDBI, NABARD, TRAI, Green Tribunal, Competition Commission, Housing Bank. All of them are non-constitutional bodies. Okay, we need to be in our mind. Which of the following literature which their rulers and select the correct one? Monothnency, that was Monothnency किसने लिखी थी? I think that was during the reign of the Jaswant Singh. Mahatma Narsen, that was Maldev. Atri, that was the Rana Kumbha. And Munni Jeta, that was the rising. Jeta during the rising. So see, मोनोथनेंसी जसवंत सिंह के रेन में थे मारवाड़ में. मोनोथनेंसी इज द फेमस स्टडिंग दोज एरियाज ऑफ द इंडिया विच आर करंटली कॉल्ड द राजस्थान. ओके, एंड जैन मोंक जेता एंड कूपा During the rising of the Bikaner, Prashasti was composed of the Sanskrit by the Jeta time of the rising, in which the date, construction of Bikaner fort and the genealogy of the ruler till rising and their achievements have been thrown. प्रेज भी था वहाँ पे काफ़ी, मतलब उनकी सारी पॉलिसीज़ के बारे में. And now Atri was the writer time of the Kumbha, and that was 1460 AD. Atri and Mahesh engraved the achievement and conditions of the Maharana of the Mewar in the Sanskrit, and that was called the Kirti Stam Prashasti. In this there is a detailed description of the Rana Kumbha, and it was description of the Rana Kumbha, its achievements, victories, and that was the Prashasti gives the complete compositions of the poets. And Raja Maldev, 15th century of the Jat ruler, who ruled by the city of the Sidhmukh in the Bikaner, Jodhpur as a reign of the Maldev. Next is, which of the among is not an ornament of the head? So Gokharu. So Gokharu is not the head. Borla, Tikda and Rakhdi, but Gokharu is not by the head. The use of the ornaments date back to the prehistorical time. Both men and women wear the ornaments. So there was a gold and silver also. So now I am giving some names. Okay. सी हेड में जो होता है ना वो बोरला, टिकड़ा, रखड़ी, शीश फूल एंड टीका. अब ये सब तो एक जैसे हैं, यू कैन थिंक अबाउट दिस, बट बोरला इज काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंट नेम, बट इट इज़ ऑल्सो वी वुमेन वियर एंड ऑन देयर हेड्स. नेक के हैं मटर माला, लगी राय नाम से, मोहन माला यस, जालरो यस एंड हलकर यस. हलकर इज़ काइंड ऑफ हमें लग नहीं रहा बट है, ये भी नेक में ही पहनते हैं हलकर. रिस्ट में क्या पहनते हैं? रिस्ट में चूड़ियाँ रिस्ट कलाई में, चूड़ियाँ, कटरियान, बालियान और गोखरू. अब गोखरू कहाँ पहना जाता है? दैट इज़ रिस्ट. और फीट पे, फीट मतलब पैर के जो फीट्स हैं, पायल हो गया, मकिया हो गया, टांका हो गया, टांका भी पैरों में, और काड़ा हो गया, काड़ा भी पैरों में. ठीक है. सो यू सी हेयर गोखरू कहाँ पहना जाता है? ये रिस्ट में पहना जाता है. बोरला सिर में है, टिकड़ा एंड रकड़ी जो है सिर के हैं. ठीक है. Now next one is, in which of the district was the Bharat Solar Component Expo held from July 6-8 in the Rajasthan? That was in the Jaipur. So Bharat Solar Component Expo, that was in the Jaipur. Okay. So now the expo took place in the Rajasthan International Center of the Jaipur Jalana, aimed at the bring together authorizing EPC and the MSME solar component. Rajasthan Solar Association estimated 80,000 crore business for this expo. Okay, for the solar association. Hamir Hut by the Chandrasekhar. Chandrasekhar was the court poet of the Hamir Dev, 1282 to 1301. Hamir Raso written by the Jyotiraj, and this is very important. Hamir Raso by the Jyotiraj. Hamir Mahakavya by the Nayan Chandra Suri. Hamir Dev was the Ranthambore Chauhan dynasty से belong करते थे. Policy was Digvijay and organizing the Kotiyan reign के थे ये. Muhammad Shah, he gave asylum to the Mongol ruler of the Muhammad Shah, and he fought battle with the Alauddin Khilji in the 1301 AD. Okay, this is, and Chittod wala कब हुआ था? 1303 AD. Now next, which one of the following department was formed merger of the erstwhile Rajasthan Energy Development REDA and the Rajasthan Vidyut Nigam Limited? That was Rajasthan Renewable Energy Corporation Limited. Okay. So this is for the REDA, Rajasthan Renewable Energy Corporation Limited. Next day, Rajasthan Renewable Energy Corporation Limited REDA, and it was established August 2002. Corporation is registered under the Company Act of 1952. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, nodal ministry for this under the Government of India. राजस्थान जो विद्युत उत्पादन निगम है, विद्युत उत्पादन निगम in Government of Rajasthan, that was under the Companies Act of जुलाई और 2000 में आया था, 19 जुलाई में. निगम has since played lead role giving the higher priority for the generation of manifold rapid development. Who among the following officers killed during the rebel Royal Army of Kota? That was two name है, Seldar and Burton. Morrison was not during, and Captain Shower is Nodapur, I think. So this two name is there. One is the Seldar and second is the Burton, and they both are killed in the Kota army. Okay. So in 15 October 1857, Saldor and Major Burton, they were specially targeted, killed by the rebel and uprising against the British control. Shower and the Morrison were not killed during this time. Next, in which of the language literature of Dadu Pant compiled? That was the Dundadi. So Dundadi language was for the Dadu Pant. Okay. So now there is a Dadu Dayal, and he was a Gujarat but moved to the Narayana, Jaipur. Group of the followers was the Dadu Panthi. Dadu Panthis are 7 martial akhadas, and Vaisheshika Sampradaya was they were following. Dadu Panth belonged to the Sant religious which favor of interior worship of the monastically conceived divine orthodox Varna system के against. So Dundari language was the literature of the Dadu Panth. Which language? Dundadi language was there. Next is who among the appointed the Lokpal of the Bikaner Technical University? That was a Narsingh Das Vyas. Narsingh Das Vyas, and he was for the Lokpal of Bikaner Technical University. Bikaner Technical University. Okay, former district judge of the Narsingh Vyas, and the order for his appointments was the Bikaner Technical Universities 3 years until reach the 70, whichever is the first. Okay, his tenure, and the district judge Narsingh was recommended by the president of the District Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Next one is next question is Rajasthan State Industrial Development and Investment Corporation, RICO. It was established in 1980. Okay. So Rajasthan State Industrial Development Corporation, that was Rajasthan State Industrial Mineral Corporation, State Mineral Development Corporation, 1980 in RICO, owned by the government of Rajasthan. Premium organization for the Rajasthan, engaged with the acquisition of the land, development of the infra projects, technical consultancies and clearances. Who is the founder of Jaipur? Atroli Gharana. He was the Aladia Khan. That was the Atroli Gharana, and name was the Aladia Khan. So Aladia Khan family which originated the Atroli, and that was Gharana is known for the distinctive vocal raga and technical aptitude. Aladia was the Malikarjun. बहुत से लोग हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज पटियाला घराना, तो पता ही होगा. पटियाला घराना इज़ द वन ऑफ द घराना फेमस फॉर द म्यूज़िक. यहाँ पर थे उस्ताद फ़तेह अली ख़ान, उस्ताद अली बख्श, ठुमरी ख्याल चलता था, गज़ल सिंगर गुलाम अली, एंड बनारस घराना दैट वाज ग्रेट स्टाइल ऑफ द ख्याल ठुमरी. छोड़ते हैं इसको, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्या है? राजस्थान पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन. सो ए मेंबर ऑफ राजस्थान पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन शेल होल्ड ऑफिस टर्म ऑफ द 6 ईयर and which has assumed office until the attain the age of the 62 year. Okay, and a person who hold the office as a member of Rajasthan Public Service Commission shall not expire of his term eligible for reappointment for the office. So both are true actually. So according to the article 316 of the Constitution, State Public Service Commission, including the Rajasthan Public Service 6 year and 62 years, a member of State Public Service Commission is not eligible for the reappointment after completion of their term. This is clearly outlined in the Constitution provision for the maintaining the independence. Next is Tikaram Paliwal is the only Chief Minister in Rajasthan who has been the Deputy CM. So that is true. And Harishankar Babra has been longest serving Deputy Chief Minister in Rajasthan so far. Harishankar Babra. So that was also true. So Tikaram Paliwal in 1952. Okay, and that was the Deputy CM of Rajasthan of 2 times. In March, again in November. Tikaram is the only CM who was also a Deputy CM. हरिशंकर बाबरा दैट वाज लॉन्गेस्ट जो सीएम रहे हैं यहाँ के, लॉन्गेस्ट सर्विंग, अक्टूबर 94 to 98. Okay, now which is the following tourism tagline of the Rajasthan? The incredible state of India. क्या थी? Incredible state of India. It is the tagline of the Rajasthan. So the tourism tagline of Rajasthan is an incredible state. Padaro Maharadesh, and it was Atithi Devo Bhava, guest is God. Select the following about the Lakshmi Kumari Chundavat. First is 1979 has awarded the Soviet Land Nehru Award for Rajasthani translation of the Gajban. Title was Gajban. He was awarded the Padam Shri in 1985, and she was member of the Rajya Sabha from 1972 to 1978. So that is true. Actually, she was from the Rajya Sabha, Lakshmi Kumari Chundavat, and she was actually not he. She was Padam Shri. That is wrong, but she was awarded Soviet Land Nehru Award also. Okay, so Lakshmi Kumari was born in the 1916 Devgarh, Udaipur. लिटरेचर के अंदर इन्होंने फॉर्मर एमपी रह चुकी हैं और एमएलए भी. सो राजस्थान रत्न अवार्ड मिला था 2012 में इनको, एंड राजस्थान के अंदर ये राज्यसभा से मेंबर रह चुकी है. गजबान वॉज दिस ट्रांसलेशन रशियन स्टोरीज को द ग्रेट सागा ऑफ देव नारायण, एंड फ्रॉम द कर्टेन टू पीपल, करे चकवा वाट, द मिडिल नाइट, द प्रिंसलेस मूवमेंट, फॉल एंड हाई पाइल, एंड बागो बरमाली. Which of the following ruler defeated the army of Sultan Iltutmish of the Delhi slave dynasty of Butala? That was जेत्र सिंह. जेत्र सिंह ने इनको हराया था. ठीक है. So Delhi slave dynasty को किसने हराया था? That was the जेत्र सिंह. So according to the Jai Singh Suri text, Hamir Madmardan, जेत्र सिंह defeated Ghulam dynasty of the Iltutmish. Chirwa inscription mentioned about the Jitendra Singh, so powerful ruler, and Ahad was the liberated from the Chalukyas, and region like the Wagad and Kotada were added to the empire. Madan and Balak who were the capable of the Jetra Singh ke against me, they were capable to do this. Now next one is Tejas Singh. It was succeeded the Jetra Singh, and next one is Samant Singh, successor of the Ran Singh, and married to the Prithvi Bai, sister of the Prithviraj II Chauhan ruler Ajmer. Bappa Rawal is a Kumbhalgarh inscription से पता चलता है. Bappa Rawal is a Brahman. Dr. Bhandarkar also believed the Guhila of the Mewar, and Nancy and Colonel Told mentioned the Bappa as a Rishi Harit kingdom due to the blessing of Rishi Harit. And according to the Raj Prashasti, Bappa defeated the Manmori ruler of Chittorgarh. 734 में इन्होंने मानमोरी रूलर थे चित्तौड़गढ़ को, उनको डिफीट किया एंड चित्तौड़ पर कंट्रोल किया. बप्पा की जो कैपिटल है दैट वाज नागदा. बप्पा अज्यूम दैट टाइटल ऑफ हिंदुआ सूरज, इनको हिंदुआ सूरज भी बोलते हैं. ही बिल्ट द एकलिंग टेम्पल इन द कैलाशपुरी. सो एकलिंग टेम्पल वॉज बिल्ड इन द कैलाशपुरी बाय द बप्पा फैमिली ऑफ द गोहिल डायनेस्टी. ओके, एंड राज प्रशस्ति में बताया गया है कि इन्होंने मानमोरी को डिफीट किया था. 734 में इन्होंने कंट्रोल लिया चित्तौड़ का, नागदा एज ए कैपिटल, एंड रावल बप्पा अज्यूम एज ए टाइटल ऑफ हिंदुआ सूरज. ड्यूरिंग द वूज अमंग द फॉलोइंग जोधपुर स्टाइल पेंटिंग वॉज इन्फ्लुएंस बाय द कंपनी दैट वॉज अ तख्त सिंह. सो तख्त सिंह जो थे इनके टाइम में जोधपुर की जो स्टाइल थी दैट वॉज वेरी फेमस फॉर द पेंटिंग. ड्यूरिंग दिस तख्त सिंह पीरियड द जोधपुर स्टाइल इन्फ्लुएंस स्टाइल. एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज फट राजा उदय सिंह. उदय सिंह जो थे मोटा राजा उदय सिंह, दैट वाज इन जोधपुर इन्फ्लुएंस बाय द मुगल. महाराजा मान सिंह वाज इन जोधपुर. ड्यूरिंग दिस रेन वाज इन्फ्लुएंस बाय द नाथ सेक्ट, एंड दैट वाज फेमस पेंटिंग थी शिव मिस्ट्री, शिव पुराण, ग्लोरी ऑफ शिवा, नाथ कैरेक्टर. तो मान सिंह वाज वेरी prominent person who always chanting Shiva. That's why Shiv Mystery, Shiv Puran, Glory of Shiva. The main painter during this reign was a Shivdas Bhatti, Bishan Das, Amar Das and Chaju Bhatti. मानसिंह ने म्यूजियम भी स्टेब्लिश किया था, इसको हम पुस्तक प्रकाश बोलते हैं, एंड इट वॉज मानसिंह ऑफ आई थिंक जोधपुर. सो पुस्तक प्रकाश इन मेहरानगढ़. ओके, द मेन पेंटिंग हो गई, पुस्तक प्रकाश हो गया. जसवंत सिंह जो थे एंड दैट वाज फेमस फॉर पर्सनल पोर्ट्रेट लाइक गासी नाथो पेंटर्स थे. गासी और नाथो किसके समय पर थे? तो ये भी एक क्वेश्चन आएगा. तो ये जसवंत सिंह के समय पर थे. ठीक है. नाउ द विच इज द फॉलोइंग स्टेट इज द प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ द लेड एंड जिंक इन इंडिया? दैट वाज द राजस्थान. So the country enjoyed self-sufficiency respect of the lead and zinc. Largest lead and zinc deposits are 629 million tons, and उदयपुर में है जावर, खोदरीबा and सिंदेश्वर, and Sindeswar and the Siddeswar was in Rajsamand, Rampura Agucha, that was Bhilwara, and Purbaneda in the Bhilwara, Dehri in the Sirohi, and the Savar, that was in the Ajmer. Okay, that was for the Sisa Jasta. It is lead and zinc. The copper is the second leading producer, 41% of the total output we are giving, and that was area as a Junjunu, Sikkar, Sirohi, Udaipur. एंड गोल्ड जो है 118.88 मिलियन टन गोल्ड्स है हमारे पास में. दिस इज़ इन द दनी से बसरी दौसा डिस्ट्रिक्ट. गोल्ड इज़ इन द दौसा डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड खेरा मुंडियावास इन द अलवर, डोकन इन द सिक्कर, एंड बिसाइड द गोल्ड इज एक्सट्रैक्टेड बाय द प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ खेतरी झुंझुनू. Iron is the iron ore. We can found hematite and magnetite, two types of, and iron ore deposits in the Jaipur, Udaipur, Junjunu, Sikkar, Alwar. Manganese is 22 kilometer of the manganese deposit mainly occurred district of the Baswada. So it was the Baswada from the Guria to the Rathimuri, 22 kilometer. The main deposit are in the Kalakunta, Gatia, Lilwani, Itala, and Kheria. And tungsten is around 27% of total country resources in the Rajasthan. It is in Degana, Nagaur, near the Balda, and Uduwaria, Sirohi. It is in Nagaur and Sirohi, and Degana and the Balda were only operative mines of this quantity of this Degana and the Balda tungsten. Which article of the Indian Constitution make provision for the special address of the governor? That was the 176. Okay, so the governor commencements of the first session after the general election, and the governor shall address the legislative assembly, or this case the state having a legislative council. And now there is a article 169 state about the abolition of certain legislative council, 176 state about the special address by the governor, 177 about the right of the minister advocate general, 178 state about the speaker, deputy speaker, 182 state about the chairman and the deputy chairman of the council, and 180 is the state power of the deputy speaker. Another person perform the duties of the speaker. 179 state about the vacation and the registration of removal from the office of the speaker and deputy speaker. 181 article state about the speaker, deputy speaker not to preside while resolution of removal from the office under consideration. 175 state the right of the governor to address and send messages to the houses, and 174 about state about the session of the state legislation, propagation of the resolutions, propagation and the resolutions is the 174. 173 about the qualifications of the member. 172 state about the duration is the 172. Qualification 173. 171 state about the composition, it is for the council का कितना composition है. 170 is the composition of the legislative assemblies. इला न देनी अपनी हलरिया हुलराय, पूत सिखाए पालने मारन बादाई माए. That was the वीर सतसई. इला न देनी अपनी हलरिया हुलाए, पूत सिखाए पालने मारन बाई माए. ओके, so Suryamal Mishran जी की थी वीर सतसई, and that was main book of the declaration of the bravery, rebellion against the English slavery, and the excellent composition of the Rajput valor and poetry. Numerical forms are there. So next is Prithviraj Raso epic. It was the Prithviraj childhood encouraged the poems of the Veer Raso. Vans Bhaskar was Dingle poet text of Rajasthan about the 19th century. Kannaddev Prabandh for the Western Upbranch, and next composed the poet of Padmanabh, year of 1455. Kannaddev Prabandh Western Upbranch की थी. ठीक है. Which of the following correct about the Rajasthan census? ST की population कितनी है? 13.5 of the total population. The total domestic industry workers 16.5 नहीं है. टोटल एग्रीकल्चर 45 नहीं है. टोटल कल्टिवेटर 2.5 भी नहीं है. लेकिन हाँ ST की पॉपुलेशन कितनी है? 13.5। सो टोटल पॉपुलेशन कितनी है हमारे पास, उसमें से एससी कितने हैं 17.8, 17.8। रूरल के अंदर कितने हैं 18.5, अर्बन के अंदर कितने हैं 15.7। रूरल में 18, अर्बन में 15, टोटल हैं 17। टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द शेड्यूल ट्राइब है 13.5, जिसमें से रूरल में है 16, अर्बन में है 3.2। तो एसटी तो अर्बन में बहुत ही कम होते हैं 3.2, बट रूरल में ये 16% होते हैं। टोटल कितने हैं 13.5%। अकॉर्डिंग टू द 2011 पॉपुलेशन ऑफ राजस्थान इज 68548,437, 68548 एंड 437। देखो तीन तीन, मतलब तीन तीन के दो जोड़े हैं, एक दो का जोड़ा है, मतलब देख लेना 6,85,48,437। ठीक है, तो ये करोड्स में है, 6.8 करोड़ बोल सकते हैं इसको। सो दिस इज़ द राजस्थान की पॉपुलेशन। ओके, द पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी कितनी है 200। डिस्ट्रिक्ट विद द हाईएस्ट पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी जयपुर 595 है इसका। डिस्ट्रिक्ट विद द लोवेस्ट पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी जैसलमेर ओनली 17 है इसका। जैसलमेर डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैज़ लोवेस्ट पॉपुलेशन ऑल्सो। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज arid region. Arid is for the Jaisalmer, Barmer. Humid climate, that was Bharatpur, Dholpur. Very humid, बहुत ज़्यादा humid. सिरोही, झालावाड़. सेमी एरिड जो है जालोर, पाली एंड नागौर। सो एरिड को हम जैसलमेर, बाड़मेर। ह्यूमिड जो है भरतपुर, धौलपुर। वेरी ह्यूमिड सिरोही, झालावाड़, बारा। सेमी एरिड जो है जालोर, पाली, नागौर। द डिजर्ट क्लाइमेट ऑफ एरिड इज द क्लाइमेट विच इज एक्सेस ऑफ द इवोपरेशन एंड प्रेसिपिटेशन एंड बोल्ड एंड रोकी सैंडी सरफेस है यहाँ पे। ह्यूमिड सब क्लाइमेटिक जोन इज द क्लाइमेट दैट वाज हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड समर होता है यहाँ पे। ह्यूमिड सब ट्रॉपिकल क्लाइमेट जोन ऑफ क्लाइमेट इज हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड समर। एंड now the semi-arid climate, this is climate of the steppe climate which is receive the precipitation below potential evaporation. There is different kind of semi-arid climate depending on the variable of temperature. First 5-year plan कब आया था, that was in 1951 to 56. Okay, so that was the first 5-year plan. Target growth कितना था 2.1, actual growth कितना था 3.6. Target growth was 2.1, actual growth was 3.6. The influx of the refugee and food shortage, inflation was the problem. First 5-year plan was improve living standards also. हमने target रखा 2.1 but हमने actually 3.6 को achieve किया. That was our achievements. Judicial use करना natural resources, agriculture, price stability. Second 5-year plan 56 to 61. This is called as the Mahalanobis plan also. एंड इंडियन स्टेटिकल इंस्टीट्यूट एड्स टू द नेहरू स्टेटिकल फाउंडेशन ने भी हमको फाइनेंस दिया. एम्फेसिस ऑन द हैवी इंडस्ट्री. थर्ड 5-year प्लान फ्रॉम द 61 to 66 एंड दैट वाज फोकस ऑन द एग्रीकल्चर एंड द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ व्हीट. एंड मई 31 से लेकर 61 तक बिकम ए इंडिपेंडेंट सेल्फ जनरेटिंग एक्सपेंशन ऑफ द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. Fourth 5-year plan 69 to 74. Indira Gandhi government is pressure, drought, devaluation, inflationary recession, population explosion, increase the unemployment and poverty. So we need to increase. Indo-Pakistan war was there. Bangladeshi liberation was took place in this time. In which of the following Rajasthan Kajli Teej is celebrated? That was in Bundi. So Kajli Teej कहाँ celebrate किया जाता है? बूंदी में. कजली तीज इन बूंदी हाड़ौती रीजन. गोडेस ऑफ उमा जो माता हैं उनकी प्रेस करने के लिए. सो रेनी सीजन में होता है लॉर्ड शिवा एंड द गोडेस पार्वती. फर्स्ट इज टोंक दैट वाज कल्याण जी मेला. अलवर दैट वाज अ भरथरी मेला. कहाँ होता है? अलवर में. करौली में केला देवी. टोंक में है कल्याण जी. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्या है? चूज द फॉलो. इनकरेक्ट बताना है हमें. सो द मेथोडोलॉजी केम name of the Jambai Mata is a Jamvati, that is wrong. And Dularai built the temple of the Kuldevi of Jambai Mata. तो दुलाराय थे. दुलाराय ने किसका टेम्पल बनवाया था? That was the Jambai Mata. And this is actually right statement. So the Jambai Mata, famous Shakti Peeth of the Jambai Mata is located the scenic hillock in the Aravali hill of the Jamba Ramgarh. And the historical name of Jambai Mata is the Jambuwati. It is Jambuwati. and here is Jambati. Jambati is not, it is he is asking about the incorrect one actually. So this is actually correct one, but Dularai is not built that temple. Actually this is wrong. It is asking about the incorrect. This is incorrect, this is correct. So it is known as Jambuvati. According to this temple, Jambai Mata situated the mountain of the Jambu and Shale. Dularai built the temple of the Jambai Mata, which is stained. This is incorrect actually. एंड कछवा माता जो थी ना वो रिलेटेड थी दुलाराय से, कछवा माता। केला देवी वॉज द गॉडेस ऑफ करौली, इसको योग माता भी कहते हैं। केला देवी जो है यादव वंश जो है ये इनको पूजते हैं, यादव वंश। एंड द टेम्पल सिचुएटेड द वैली ऑन द त्रिकुट माउंटेन ऑफ द करौली। लांगूरिया डांस होता है। गॉडेस टेम्पल इज की छतरी है, जैसे सिनोपत भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है। सो इट वॉज अगरवालों की भी बोल सकते हैं, और दूसरा है करौली, यादवों की और अगरवालों की, करौली केला देवी। What is significant of Indira Rasoi Yojana? That was food security. So the name of the Annapurna Rasoi Yojana, Shri Annapurna Rasoi Yojana, name was Indira Gandhi Rasoi Yojana, inaugurated by the food security. Rajasthan Chief Minister Gehlot and Priyanka Gandhi given rate 8 rupees of the food. 400 Indira Rasois are there and 1000 by the September 25 इंक्रीज़ कर दिया जाएगा। 400 है तो इसको 1000 तक लाएंगे। कोई भूखा ना सोए, नो वन गोज़ टू बी बेड हंग्री। एंड द प्रोग्राम हैज़ ऑलरेडी बीन सक्सेस इन द अर्बन एरियाज ऑफ 13 करोड़ न्यूट्रिशन एंड डिलीशन मील एंड 7.3 करोड़ मील एनुअली इज गिवन इन दिस। Which is the following is the serious mountain peak is correct as per the descending order. Nag Pahad, then Berach, then Babai, then Berat. Nag Pahad, then Berach, then Babai, then Berat. Okay, so first is Nag Pahad Ajmer, then Berach Alwar, then Babai Junjunu, then Berat जयपुर। बेराट सबसे छोटा है, लाइक नाग पहाड़ है बड़ा, उसके बाद बेरच है, फिर बाबाई है, फिर बेराट है। ओके, हाईएस्ट पीक रघुनाथगढ़ कहाँ की है? सीकर में है। हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ द नॉर्दर्न अरावली पूछा जाए तो रघुनाथगढ़, दैट इज़ इन सीकर, फिर सेकंड पे खो है। हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ द सेंट्रल अरावली की पूछी जाए तो गोरमजी है अजमेर में, और तारागढ़ अजमेर में है। हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ साउदर्न अरावली की है गुरु शिखर 1722 मीटर, और शेर है, उसके बाद है दिलवाड़ा, गुरु शिखर शेर दिलवाड़ा। हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ नॉर्दर्न अरावली की है रघुनाथगढ़, और हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ द सेंट्रल की है गोरमजी। इन विच ऑफ द ईयर चिंकारा वॉज डिक्लेयर द स्टेट एनिमल? दैट वॉज 1981 में इसको एज ए स्टेट एनिमल घोषित किया गया। सो द नेशनल एनिमल राजस्थान इज चिंकारा। वन ऑफ द मेन क्रिएचर ऑफ द एंटीलोप भी बोलते हैं। इट हैज़ गोट द टाइटल ऑफ स्टेट एनिमल इन 1981। फर्स्ट सीएम हरिलाल शास्त्री, फर्स्ट गवर्नर गुरुमुख निहाल सिंह। राजस्थान का हाईकोर्ट जोधपुर। टोटल असेंबली सीट्स 200, लोकसभा की सीट्स 25, राज्यसभा की सीट्स कितनी थी? 10। एंड फर्स्ट गवर्नर ऑफ राजस्थान हो गया, ठीक है। इसके बाद है स्टेट का एनिमल चिंकारा है, स्टेट का ट्री खेजरी है, स्टेट का बर्ड गोडावन है, स्टेट का फ्लावर रोहिड़ा है, स्पोर्ट है बास्केटबॉल, और फोक डांस है हमारा घूमर। Which of the following called the Masiha of the Bhil? That was the मोतीलाल तेजावत। ओके, एंड मोतीलाल तेजावत को बाऊजी भी कहते हैं, एंड ही वॉज फ्रॉम द ओसवाल बनिया फैमिली, एंड इट जाडोल उदयपुर में रहते थे। ड्यू टू द सम डिफरेंसेस विद द जागीर ऑफ जालोर सर्विस जालोर ठिकाना, लाइक अडॉप्टेड द प्रोफेशन ऑफ स्पाइस मर्चेंट। फर्दर इन्होंने बिजनेस किया, और जो बील्स थे उदयपुर के इनके कॉन्टेक्ट में आए, अग्रीड बाय द बील एंड स्टार्टेड वर्क अमंग देयर अपलिफ्टमेंट। बील के अपलिफ्टमेंट के लिए इन्होंने बहुत वर्क किया। सो मोतीलाल तेजावत वॉज फ्रॉम द मेवाड़। इन्होंने उनकी 21 डिमांड्स को स्वीकार किया, एंड आफ्टर देन 18 से 21 डिमांड्स बट डिड नॉट एग्री फॉर द फॉरेस्ट एंड द बेगार राइट, एंड नाउ देयर वॉज ए ड्यू टू दिस बिकम ए फेमस फॉर द मसिया और द भील। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज इन इंडियन हिस्ट्री। देयर वॉज ए ट्रिपार्टाइट स्ट्रगल Kannauj between 7th and 11th century. Between which of the kingdom did the conflict take place? That was Palas, Rashtrakuta, Gurjarhara and the Pratihara. Okay, so कन्नौज है, यहाँ पे पाला है, फिर राष्ट्रकूटा है, फिर गुर्जर प्रतिहारा है, ठीक है। इन इंडियन हिस्ट्री देयर वाज ए Okay. Next question is Prithviraj Raso, and that was Chandra Bardai, Veer Vinod Shamaldas, and Batari Fulwari Vijayadan Detha. Okay. So Prithviraj Raso is the Braj Bhasha epic poem about the life of 12th century of the Prithviraj Chauhan, attributed to the Chandra Bardai, who was according to the court poet of the king. And Shamal Das was the early writer involved documenting the history of the Rajasthan region. Vijayadan Detha, also known the Bidji. Bidji was a noted Indian writer. He was recipient of the several awards, including the Padma Shri and the Sahitya Akademi Award. Detha was more than 800 short stories he written in English language. Choose the following. First was the his childhood name was the Uday Singh. Devnarayan ji नाम उदय सिंह. देवनारायण जी died in the देवमाली village of the ब्यावर. So दोनों ही ठीक है. देवनारायण जी का नाम क्या था? उदय सिंह. एंड ये देवमाली विलेज था ब्यावर का, वहाँ पर इनकी डेथ हो गई थी. So the Devnarayan ji born in 1243 to the Savai Bhoj Sandhu, and now the Gurjar community considered him incarnation of the Vishnu, and the childhood name was the Uday Singh, wife name was the Pipalade, and killed along his 23 brothers. Conflict of the behind last day of the Devmali Byawar district. Son name was the Bila, daughter name was the Bili. Bila was the first prized and used the prowess and the abilities of the elevate suffering of the people, compassion, eradication वगैरह काम करना. ठीक है. वर्शिप. फेयर इज द भाद्रपद शुक्ल सप्तमी को इसका फेयर लगता है, प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ द काउस के लिए. ठीक है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज रिकंस्ट्रक्टेड द फोर्टेज ऑफ द राटिया. राटिया का था रतन सिंह जाट. फोर्ट्रेस ऑफ द राटिया. ओके. सो द सिटी ऑफ द म्यूनिसिपल कम्युनिटी situated गग्गर रिवर के पास में. इट लोकेटेड 23 किलोमीटर नॉर्थ ऑफ फतेहाबाद. द फतेहाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन द हरियाणा. रातिया इज द स्टेपलिश द रतन सिंह, एंड रातिया वॉज नेम बाय द हिंदू एंड एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डनरी पावर. So that was related to this. Now next is where is the Khwaja Husnamuddin Chishti? That was Sambar Lake. Husnamuddin Chishti was in the Sambar Lake. Okay. So the Khwaja Husnamuddin Chishti is a Sultan Hind and near the Garib Nawaz, and we can say Jaipur Ajmer highway comes in the village of Duddu. There was a enter into the village Narena, and that Narena is actually place near the Sambar, and so that was Rajab. Rajab is also इनकी कुछ वाणियाँ होती है जिनको कुछ रजब वगैरह कहा जाता है. उर्सेस बोलते हैं जिसको, दैट इज़ द रजब. इसे हुसामुद्दीन चिश्ती. हुसामुद्दीन चिश्ती इन द एरिया इज सांबर लेक. ओके. नेक्स्ट द जैन टेक्स्ट ऑफ द कल्पसूत्रा इज द सब्जेक्ट मैटर. दैट वाज द मेवाड़. So the Kalpasutra is a Jain text biography of the Jaina Tirthankar, notably the Parshnath, Mahavir, Mewar Jain painting style, developed form of the small illustration of the Tirthakara. किशनगढ़ स्कूल ऑफ पेंटिंग. द राजस्थान मारवाड़ स्कूल 18th सेंचुरी में किशनगढ़ स्कूल आया था, नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ द राजस्थान. सावंत सिंह थे यहाँ पे मेन, एंड डिवोट टू द लॉर्ड कृष्णा. बनी ठनी एज ए मेड ऑफ सिंगर ऑफ हिज स्टेप मदर. He was called himself of the servant of the Radha, and Nagri Das, which was his pen name. So romantic life of Radha and Krishna, and Jaydev was the famous for the Geet Govind. He was also related to this actually. Okay, and panoramic landscapes was also there, and the colors were very prominent. Female figure, pointed nose, sharp features, long eyes. Khanjan Pakshi, shape of the Khanjan Pakshi. And Bani Thanis was appointed court artist of Nihal Chand in 1760 and now been preserved for National Museum in New Delhi. Bikaner School of Painting, which is city of Bikaner near the Thar Desert. 17th century helped the artist. There was a empirical Mughal workshops was also there. So Raja Rai Singh of the Bikaner influencing the Mughal art, patronizing the Bikaner painting. They also pointed a scene from the Ragmala and Bhagavad Puran and the Rasa. Next is Next is Bikaner Prajamandal, that was Mangaram. Bharatpur Prajamandal, that was the Jugal Kishore. Kishangarh Prajamandal, that was the Kanti Chothani. And Jaisalmer, that was the Mithalal Vyas. Okay, so Bikaner was the Mangaram, that was 36. Bharatpur was the Jugal Kishore, 1938. Kishangarh Kantilal, that was 1939. and Jaisalmer Mithalal 1945. सो किशनगढ़ 39 ध्यान रखना है, जैसलमेर 45 मीठालाल जी व्यास, भरतपुर के अंदर 38 जुगल किशोर जी और बीकानेर के अंदर 36 मंगाराम जी. ठीक है. सो प्रजामंडल मूवमेंट ऑफ 1927 ऑल इंडिया पीपल कॉन्फ्रेंस हेल्ड बॉम्बे आफ्टर विच कांग्रेस अलाउड पीपल फ्रॉम डिफरेंट प्रिंसली स्टेट्स. ओके, सो 1927 में अखिल भारतीय देसी राज्य लोक परिषद बनी थी एंड दैट वाज ऑल इंडिया नेटिव स्टेट पब्लिक काउंसिल एस्टेब्लिश इन द बॉम्बे. देन उसके बाद में प्रजामंडल मूवमेंट हुए बहुत सारे एंड देयर वाज ए कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द प्रजामंडल not only created political awareness but also people in India state but also fought for their rights and their share in the government and their dynamic participation for the future political setup. That is very important thing for in the Prajamandal movement. Where did the revolt of 1857 start? That was from the Nasirabad. So Nasirabad was the first place of the Rajasthan in revolt. 1857 began 28 May. मेरठ रिच जॉर्ज लॉरेंस यहाँ पहुँचे. उसके बाद 15 बंगाल नेटिव इन्फेंट्री जो थी दैट वाज केम एंड नीमच में कौन थे? कॉलोनल अबोट थे. नीमच के अंदर कौन थे? मिलिट्री ऑफिसर. नेम वाज कॉलोनल अबोट. एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज अंगूदा, बिछुआ, झांझर एंड राजस्थानी ऑर्नामेंट्स. ये कहाँ पहने जाते हैं? दे ऑल आर लेग्स के हैं. ठीक है, तो हम देख सकते हैं लेग्स के ऑर्नामेंट्स को. अंगूदा, बिछुआ, झांझर, पायल, पैजेब, वेरी पॉपुलर. अंगूदा जो है थंब में पहना जाता है, ये देखो ये अंगूदा है. ठीक है. बिछुआ जो है ये रहे बिछुआ. फिर है पायल, झांझर को ही पायल भी कहा जाता है. एंड उसके बाद में पायजेब भी यही है इस टाइप की. हेड के ऑर्नामेंट्स अभी बता देते हैं थोड़ा सा, जिसमें है शीशफुल, टेकड़ा, टिक्की, जेला, टीका, रखड़ी. एंड जो उसके बाद में कुछ ऑर्नामेंट्स है नेक के ऑर्नामेंट्स जो हैं डोरा, हंसली, चौकाड़ा, माला, कांथी, तराटा, मालदिया, चेन एंड मोती की माला, शीश फूल. नेक के हो गए. वेस्ट के क्या है? वेस्ट कमर में है करदनी. ठीक है. नेक में हंसली, डोरा, चौकाड़ा, माला, कांटी, तेराता, मादलिया, चेन, मोतीमाला, तख्ती, साविया एंड चंपाकली. ओके. और सिर के क्या है? बोड़ला कहाँ पे है? सिर पे है. ठीक. टू इम्प्रूव फॉर्म ऑफ राजस्थानी स्क्रिप्ट, मुदिया स्क्रिप्ट है. राजस्थानी को अगर इम्प्रूव करना है दैट इज़ अ मुदिया स्क्रिप्ट. ओके. सो द इम्प्रूव फॉर्म ऑफ द राजस्थानी स्क्रिप्ट इज मुदिया महाजनी script based on the Brahmani script, commercial statement and the making financial records. Now Rangari script is in the Haryana and the Pakistan or Nimadi is where? So Nimadi is also near the Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Malvi, Hindi, Marathi, more. Arrange the following mountain peaks. सबसे पहले है जरगा, फिर है रघुनाथगढ़, फिर है सज्जनगढ़, फिर है लीलागढ़. तो जरगा के बाद में कहाँ आएंगे? रघुनाथगढ़, फिर सज्जनगढ़, फिर है लीलागढ़. ठीक है. सो सी जरगा की है 1431, ये है राजसमंद डिस्ट्रिक्ट में. रघुनाथगढ़ सिक्कर में है 1055. सज्जनगढ़ उदयपुर में है 938. लीलागढ़ जो है उदयपुर में है 874. साउदर्न अरावली में देखा जाए तो गुरु शिखर आएगा सबसे बड़ी. उसके बाद में गुरु शिखर के बाद में शेर है. ठीक है. सेंट्रल अरावली के अंदर बताया ही था पहले कि कौन है? नाग पहाड़ आ जाएंगे, गोरम जी आएगा. नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न अरावली का जो पार्ट है जयपुर दोसा वाला पार्ट है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज आउट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर विच इज़ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैविंग रेड एंड येलो सॉइल? दैट वाज अजमेर एंड भीलवाड़ा. सो द अजमेर एंड भीलवाड़ा इज अ रेड येलो सॉइल एंड so this was pH is 5.5 to 8.5, sandy, shallow, dark, medium, heavy soil. surface texture sandy to the sandy loamy soil is also there. Okay, so red and yellow soil we also found in Udaipur. Rajasthan was the first state where the पंचायती राज system implemented, that was the नागौर. तो नागौर में सबसे पहले पंचायती राज आया था. ठीक है, so Rajasthan was the first state of the Nagaur. 2 October as it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. The पंचायती राज was the vision, it's a means to rural local self government. And 73rd amendment of 3 tied gram panchayat, panchayat samiti, jila parishad, executive body was there. And now next is, who is the following not eligible to get information under ITI? तो कॉरपोरेशंस को नहीं दिया जाएगा, एसोसिएशंस नहीं, कंपनीज नहीं, लीगल एंटिटीज़ नहीं, सिटीजन्स येस ओनली. ओके, सो द इंडियन पार्लियामेंट पास द राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन एक्ट 2005. The previous Freedom Information Act 2002 was replaced by this. A public authority under the term was public authority is required to respond promptly in the 30 days. कितने दिन में? 30 days में. Act also mandate, अब ये 48 आवर में पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन देनी ही होगी आपको अगर लाइफ और फ्रीडम से रिलेटेड है तो. Act also mandated all public authorities comprising the record for widespread distribution for specific type of information. These laws are permit request of the citizen, like अगर कोई पर्सन ऑफ इंडियन ओरिजिन है, ओवरसीज सिटीजन है, जम्मू कश्मीर से रिलेटेड है, तो इनको थोड़ा दिया जाएगा वैसे तो. एंड सिटीजन ऑफ OCI POI वो रिसाइड आउटसाइड ऑफ इंडिया सबमिट करते हैं अगर RTI को, PIO को, तो दे विल कंसल्ट फॉर द हाई कमिश्नर एंड देन दे विल प्रोवाइड देम इंफॉर्मेशन. विच roads are an example of public goods and services. Okay, so this is all right. The propaganda of the new public administration laid greater emphasis on that was a normative concern in public administration. ठीक, ये कुछ क्वेश्चन इसमें ऐड हो गए हैं पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के. Rajasthan Sampark portal has been implemented in Rajasthan with aim of to provide the single window point contact to the citizen to lodge track the grievances. Okay, that is the Sampark portal. So the Rajasthan Sampark is intended to significant initiative. It is described the single unified platform track the grievances, and Rajasthan Sampark project an integrated encompasses various modes of the grievances, Sampark call centers and Sampark mobile apps. Sampark's project of transparency, accountability. Okay. Now next is the part 11.5 5-year plan. It is 11 नहीं 12 बोल सकते हैं, 12 5-year plan. It is from 2012 to 2017. Okay, so the 12 5-year plan was begins 2012. 8% ग्रोथ रेट की बात कही गई थी. द ऑब्जेक्टिव वॉज 50 million न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, इन्हेंस द एजुकेशन 0 to 3 के लिए भी, माल न्यूट्रिशन को कम करना, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोवाइड करना, 1 million कवरेज करना, ग्रीन कवर, प्रोवाइडिंग द एक्सेस टू द बैंकिंग सर्विसेज टू द 19% ऑफ. राजस्थान स्टेट इंडस्ट्रियल रिको इज एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री बना रहा है. 4 एग्रो बेस्ड, जिसमें से नहीं बनाई जाएगी वो है जयपुर में. तो ये कहाँ का बना रहा है? कोटा, श्रीगंगानगर, अलवर, बट जयपुर में एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री को नहीं बनाया जा रहा. ठीक है, सो द एग्रो फूड पार्क्स इन द कोटा, बोरानाड़ा, जोधपुर, श्रीगंगानगर एंड अलवर. तो ये है हमारे कोटा में, उसके बाद है श्रीगंगानगर, अलवर में और जोधपुर में. एग्रो फूड पार्क आर द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फूड प्रोसेसिंग बना रही है. दिस स्कीम प्रोवाइड फंडिंग फॉर द इंफ्रा एंड फैसिलिटी. इपिक जो है एक्सपोर्ट प्रमोशन इंडस्ट्रियल सीतापुरा जयपुर में है 1997 में. इपिक के बाद बोरानाड़ा जोधपुर में है, नीमराणा अलवर में है. तो ये फॉलोइंग स्पेसिफिक इंडस्ट्रियल पार्क हैं, ये कोई एग्रो पार्क नहीं है. इंडस्ट्रियल पार्क में एक जयपुर में एपिक आ जाएगा, देन बोरानाड़ा जोधपुर में आ जाएगा, नीमराणा अलवर में आ जाएगा. ठीक है, एंड इपिक हो गया. एंड हार्डवेयर टेक्नोलॉजी पार्क बनाया जा रहा है जयपुर में, सॉफ्टवेयर वाला जयपुर में, जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी वाला भी जयपुर में, एंड सीतापुरा में इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी पार्क. ठीक है, इन एडिशन टू द फ्रेमिंग विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एंगेज नॉन एग्रीकल्चर एक्टिविटीज़, एग्रीकल्चर, स्मॉल फार्मर एंड द बिग फार्मर, ऑल ऑफ 3. So non-farming activity do not rely on farming livelihood. These activity are pivotal for establishing market, providing the employment opportunities, and